Welcome back, you guys. I'm sure you guys are ready to see what's inside of our Boxycharm. We've got two different Boxycharms to get through today. We are actually going to be unboxing our regular unboxing for our Boxycharm for November, as well as the Boxycharm Premium that has just recently launched. You guys have probably seen that Boxycharm has changed up a few things with their program. They have added a little bit more, so you guys can get a lot more bang for your buck with their programs. I did take some notes down because I was like, whoa. There's so much going on here, so I'm going to break it down for you guys. So the Boxycharm that we usually unbox here on my channel has gone up just a few dollars, but it is $25 a month, which I'm all for because I love my Boxycharm. You guys know that. And then now they've added the Boxycharm Premium, which is this bigger bad boy right here. That one here is $35 a month. This one is going to be having a value of $175 or more in its box. And then it said you'll get between 6 to 7 full-size luxury beauty items. That they're also going to be offering is customization to their box. And then they're also going to allow you to choose one of the products that are going to be coming in your upcoming box. So I definitely am super excited about it. I can definitely say I really want to see what's inside this premium box, but first we're going to start off with our normal Boxycharm. So let's get diving right into it. So we're going to start off with our normal box, which is the one that retails for $25. This one here has your card. This month's theme is called Stellar. And then there is a number 6 on the bottom right here, which I believe is the variation. So, and then there's two coupons for Natasha Denona and Dragon Beauty, which I actually think is incredibly awesome. I'm super excited about that. Does that mean we might get Natasha Denona in our box? We shall see. All right, so the first product we have here is actually a sample card. Now, this is actually something I was listening to them talk about on their Instagram stories, which I was super excited when they started talking about this because I was like, it is about time that one of these subscription service boxes comes out with this, and they're going to be doing customization, so that way they can now send out like complexion products like powders and foundations and concealers. So essentially you would just pick out which shade you think would be best for your skin tone, and then you would go onto your account, I think, and you would click on it, and that's the way it lets them know, and you can customize your box a little bit better. I do know they're also going to be adding add-ons, so you can then add on products at a more discounted price to your box, as well as allowing you to choose one of the products that is going to be including in your upcoming box. So I thought that was really cool. Next thing I have here is by Lily Lashes. I actually don't own anything from Lily Lashes, and this is the Lily Lashes and Boxycharm Lash Collection. The style that I have is in CEO, very wispy, definitely the kind of lashes I would wear. Next thing I have here is by Kypris, and this is the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Ooh, look at that pretty packaging. So you could use this in the morning or at night, and you would just apply this to your skin. Just apply several drops of antioxidant dew to the clean skin morning and night. So the next thing I have here are the Boxycharm brushes. Here are your two complexion brushes. This one's a lot fatter in dome shape, which I think would be perfect to apply like foundations or powders. And then this little one here, it's a little bit smaller. They're both oval shaped, but this one here is like perfect for applying like maybe like a cream contour, or maybe blending out your contour. I'll have to play around with these, but these are pretty nice. So the next one I have in here is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Charm. I absolutely adore Dose of Color liquid lipsticks. I have several of them. And I think they're amazing. They're some of my favorite formula. Their glosses are incredible too, and I do not have this shade, so let's swatch it. It's like a deep red. Oh, this is definitely something I could see myself wearing so much more often. I feel like the camera is definitely pulling it up a much more brighter red than it is, but it's definitely not as bright. It is much more of like a deep brownish red. I know for a fact that I will get so much use out of that. And then the last one I have is the Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics, which looks like this. Let me open this up. Isn't that gorgeous? I actually have this palette. I did do a look on my Instagram. The formula on this is really good. If you guys have not tried Dominique Cosmetics before, you guys are absolutely going to love this palette because her formula is so great. So I already have mine. I'm going to go ahead and put this over into a giveaway box. Now we're moving into the premium box. Let me know down below if you guys have like subscribe to the premium or if you're just going to keep your original box. So here is the card. On the inside obviously is going to be the product, so I don't want to open it because I really am excited to see what's in here because I have no idea, honestly. And then the bottom corner right here says variation or 13 with a heart on it. So this one's got some like thick packaging to it. So the first thing I have here is the Boxycharm brushes. So this one is got a set of 4 brushes in them. Oh, set of 5, not 4. So this is the same ones from the last box. This one's a blending brush. This one looks like it would be good to like maybe apply concealer or like chisel out your nose. And then this looks like a good eyeliner brush actually. Look at how thin that is. Do you see that? Oh, I really like these bags. Next thing I have here is by Kopari. This is the Coconut Rose Toner, which is supposed to refresh and balance your skin. It's sulfate, silicone-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. I don't have the best senses right now, but I can definitely tell you that just with using my one nostril that's open, which is this one, I can smell a little bit of the rose fragrance. Next thing I have here is QMS Intensive Eye Cream. Oh, you guys know I love my eye creams. It says intensive, so I'm going to assume that it's thick. Oh, yeah. So this here, I want to know how much this retails for. So this in here retails for $150. That thing does not retail for $150. Does it really? That would make it my most expensive eye cream. Oh my gosh, people are charging this on Mercari. Is that Mercari site? People are charging like $75, $94, $33. Posh. All right. It says, yeah, I mean, I'll admit that I've spent like $65 to $70 on eye cream before. I think 70 was like my most expensive. And I could definitely tell you that that $70 eye cream was not worth it. The $65 was worth it. Like I've actually repurchased it, but $150, like I am going to definitely try this out and see. Next thing I have here is the Abeka Glow Gloss in Champagne Cream. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that is. It doesn't have that like super stickiness to it that some glosses do. And the glimmer on it isn't really strong, which I actually appreciate. I actually really like that. Did I not ask if we were going to get Natasha Denona, you guys? So this is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I own one thing from Natasha Denona, one, and it's that mini lilac palette, or Lila palette, or whatever you call it, and I love it. Like, it's a gorgeous palette. I do use it often, but like, I can't get myself to spend the money on that palette, on those palettes, but this is amazing to think that there is Natasha Denona inside of a Boxycharm box is incredible. Top 2 are cream bases and then the bottom 2 are powder bases. So let's start with the glow. So that there is the cream glow, which is right here. You can barely see it on my hand. Then we've got the cream blush, which looks like this. Then we've got the Glow Extreme, which is a powder highlight. That one there is a powder highlight. And then we've got the Duo Glow. There it is. Definitely got more of those summer vibes going towards it. I'm excited nonetheless that it's Natasha Denona. I think that this is like a great way to kick off your premium box to like let people know like, hey, you know, you get luxury items. You can even get something like this. So keep it up, Boxycharm, because if you get more Natasha Denona, I'm definitely going to keep this premium box for sure. The last thing we have here, which is by Dragon Beauty. This here is their Skin Perfecting Potion. I rave about this product all the time. It truly is a lifesaver when it comes to my skin. I 100% believe that this product works. It counteracts the discoloration on your skin, so that way you don't have to keep applying more product on top of more product on top of more product. It's just an incredible product, you guys. This one is actually mine. I'm going to keep this one in the box. Be very, very light-handed with this product because just the smallest amount, let me show you. You put just a dot like this, and then you go to blend it out. It's like super pigmented, so if you put too much a product onto your skin, it'll be very difficult for you to counteract the product with like your foundation or concealer. So I have a total, there is a total of 6 products in my box. from my Boxycharm Premium. You guys, hands down, the Boxycharm Premium has to be my favorite box. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know down below if you guys know what you guys are getting in your box or what you're super excited about. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so that way anytime I upload, you guys are notified. I'll see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.